jump. Going in circles, baby. Looking, I can see there's no reason why to go up there. I have to turn around and get back down. Man, somebody just come back here with a broom. It's worse than last time I was here. At least I don't see anyone sleeping up. So sad up action.
Dirt bike boy living in a big city. I can pop a bullet, but I still look pretty.
It feels like I'm floating. Bend my knees a little bit. Get into some terrain here. Gravel ain't too bad, sometimes it can be fun. Woo! Oh, look at that. I'm right up in there. Right up all around. Nothing to do it now. Maybe when it's a little bit. Got people over here. Loosen up, baby. Where are you going? I'm right here. You gonna go around me? Hello, hula girl. Those are the nicest legs I've seen all day. I know they got the juice. Does this make you want to get a hawk if you don't already have a hawk, if you sold your hawk? I'm glad I got a hawk, to be honest. "14 horses, baby." That's all you need around here. Anything more than it might get you in a little bit of trouble. At least you get some skills in ya. If you ask me, this is a great bike to get started on. When I first got it, I thought it was a little bit big. I was like, oh man, I should have got a TBR7. Even still, I probably could have did much better with a TBR7. If you guys got that in mind, you can save a little bit of money. Maybe get a little bit better bike, or I shouldn't say better. A bike that's more appropriate for you, because you already got the dual sport tires on there. It's a 19-inch instead of a 21-inch on the front, so it's a little bit shorter. So yeah, I would say everybody's like, oh, am I too short for the Hawk? Just get a TBR7. You can still find them. Well, they got some new bikes out now. They got the Boom Vader 125, the X Pro Boom. cafe racer. They got these sports bikes, 6 speeds, EFI, for like about 3 grand when you add in the tax on Amazon. Brand new, baby. Shipped to your door, fully assembled. A lot of different choices now. How many miles? 858. We went like 10 miles. I feel like we went like 20, 25, baby. 25. My aunt from Georgia sent me a check. Or, yeah, it was, well, one of my kids a check for their birthday or something. It was for $25, but they talked funny down there. They got a little slang in it where she said, she actually spelled it the way she says it. 25 with an S. S-W-E-N-T-Y. I'd take a photo of it and send it to her. $25, baby. She got a kick out of that. I still get a kick out of it. Can I turn? Can I get out? Oh shit. I don't even know if I want to get out. This is the worst time I've ever been on the hawk, y'all. This is the worst. As you can see, with your own eyes. You see it with your own eyes. I never got stuck making a left turn like this in traffic. Not that I make a left turn here often, but this is it. Cop. Can't turn on red with a cop right there. Make sure they don't get too close on me, boy. One guy went, I was about to go. Hey, Nora! They moved on me. I wonder where they moved to. It shouldn't be too far away. Probably Bridgetown. There's that gorilla, that monkey sticking his finger up at us. He wasn't paying no attention to me. He's probably like, where'd you go, boy? I would've went. That's a Mercedes behind me. If she would've tapped me, boy, I would've got paid. That'd been my money solution right there. I'm like, hey man, y'all.